Hey, big news update. Unity just announced their runtime fee is canceled. I got the email personally and saw the blogs. Something to note is the fee previously came from John Riccitiello being the CEO, and you need to know previously he worked for EA, who was missing profit expectations and laying off employees. And John Riccitiello has already resigned from Unity because of the runtime fee backlash, and this shows that Unity is listening to its customer base, and it's great that the customers, right, us developers, that are standing up for what's right. Of course, Unity needs to make some money, but how they go about that needs to be smart with taking care of their customers. And best of all, Unity is keeping two amazing positive changes with the current CEO, Matt Bromberg. You can get rid of the Unity splash screen, and the revenue ceiling was raised from 100,000 to 200,000. This means that more people can make Unity games for free and publish their games. I hope that was helpful, and I think that you also might be interested in this over here.